Hi everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to this. Oh, do I want to say episode? I don't know. Thanks for watching today. I hope you are well. So I have some exciting news. I won a prize. I tuned into a live with Deborah Adams, who is Deborah's Creative Life here on YouTube. And if you are a follower of Debbie's, you know that she is a Tres Jolie design team member. And I won a prize watching their live. And I'm just so excited. It was a trivia, and the answer was Natalie Wood, and the question was I believe a famous actress who starred in a Christmas movie as a child and then as an adult married another actor, something along that line. And my mom was a huge Natalie Wood fan, and I happen to know that. I happen to know it. My brain worked. Super excited. Hold on, I'm going to show you what I won. Oh my gosh, I am super excited. Okay, I want to show you my prize, and then she even sent something else as well. So, oh my gosh, you guys, she made, I think this is the one that she made during the live. If you are not familiar with Tres Jolie Kits Club, right? I'm going to show you the information. It is a scrapbooking mixed media store, and you have to go over and check it out. I will leave the link down below in my description box. Please continue watching this video. According to YouTube statistics, y'all just watch after a couple of minutes and click off. So I guess I'm boring, I'm irritating, I don't know. So, yeah. And there's a lot of YouTube videos to watch, so I really do I will try to speed this up for you. Kim, if you are watching, thank you very, very much. I enjoy, and Debbie, love you. You are just have been a wonderful crafty friend, and I know I'm slow to get to know, but you have been very welcoming, and as well as Kim, and I am enjoying your lives. And look at what I won. They sell chipboard pieces, and this is all, and also mixed media. Oh my gosh, I want some of this lava 3D paste, I think it is. Oh my gosh, isn't this gorgeous? I'm just gonna let you look at it. She painted it with some gorgeous red pearl paint. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Thank you, Kim. Thank you. Oh, I can't wait to put this some. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And then, so here's what you want to look for. And she sent me these chipboard pieces. Thank you. Or a chipboard piece. Is it two? It looks like 2 pieces. Thank you so much. Cannot wait to use these on a junk journal or a mini album, because that is what a scrapbook, if you want to call it a scrapbook. Oh my gosh, look at these. Gorgeous. Thank you, Kimberly, very much. Thank you. Oh my gosh, and they have she just put together a new design team. I am super excited to see what the ladies will be doing. I am fairly new to Tres Jolie, but I've been around Debbie Adams for a while now, and I met her through signing up. Or no, I take that back. I have a little story to tell if you don't mind, and you have a couple of minutes or moments. Hopefully it's quicker. I follow Rosa Kelly scrapbooking. I found Rosa Kelly for her awesome mini albums and the tutorials that she has. So please head over and check her out if you are wanting to make your own. And from there, it was I think a Christmas hop. that Rosa put together, and Debbie and Kimmy were in it. I had found, you know, Brittany, and then I found Tiffany. So I mean, and then of course, Anna. There's so many of you that I adore, and I just love this community very, very much. And I hope you all believe me that I'm genuine. I really do. I do very much enjoy this community. So please head over and check out Tres Jolie. They are here on YouTube as well, and all of the design team members, their videos get posted so that you can get loads of information and tutorials on how to make some really beautiful pieces for scrapbooking and junk journaling. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is what my new treasure Tresh has. You know, I've got this is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I have a trove of treasures from all of the swaps, and then now I've got prizes. There are prizes to win. So you got to check out some of the YouTube channels. You never know when you're going to win something. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye for now.